guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is I'm gonna show you my birthday presents and what I received my birthday's presents as well, guys. So it's been a long time. I'm not doing some vlog, but today is 2026 now. So I'll be showing you what I received, guys. So I have loads of birthday cards I received, and there's more on my cards, guys. I received some cash and others are gifts. This is from this card. Galing ito, guys, sa Germany. That's the language of Japanese, guys. So this Germany. So meron itong cash, guys. There is a cash inside. I take it already. And then, this is the birthday cards for my friends. This is sa friends ko ito galing, guys. So, my friends sent to me. This is my 40th birthday. And then, this is from a special card. Okay. This is for my husband's card. Give it to me. As you can see, guys. Mana yung ilaw. So, for my wife on your birthday. So sweet, my husband is here. Alright. And then, this is for my father-in-law. So, there's a big cake and messages there. So, my daddy is very sweet, guys, And then, this card is from my husband's daughter. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, ang sweet nila so far, guys. And then, this is my chocolate as well. Kinain na namin, guys. So, as you can see, if you see what's the shape outside, then this still the same inside as well. So, I think we still have some other chocolates just only left over. So, that's only the over here. As you can see, that's only left chocolates. Some were eaten already. Alright, so gonna show you some other gifts. This gift is bigay ito ng I received from my husband's daughter. She gave it to me some gold. This is cross. That's cross, guys. So gold. So may carrots ito siya, guys. So I will use this next time when I go in holiday. So we will see that. But I love it. Thank you. Because, that's my special day. And then this one I received from my husband's daughter again. And I have some, what is this? I got some this one card. I have some vegan beauty formulas enhancing sheet mask niacinamide, something like that, guys. So I'm not use it. So maybe the next time I try to use this one. And Derma V10 for foot peel treatment enriched with something like that. So I'm not used it. For now, I'm still busy. So, still have some cards here. Ayan. Alright. And then, I don't know how to do vlog now. It's been a long time. I'm not doing my vlog. So, I'm busy my work. So, I don't have time to edit or filming some. So, I have now my time because it's my work. And tomorrow is back to work again straight, guys. So, now, I'm just updates you what's happening on. So I don't know what's this. This is a cloth. And then this is Footworks, something like the lavender scent. And Footworks overnight treatment, something like that. It's the scent lavender. So nice. So maybe I will use this soon. Because I have plenty of stuff there, so I cannot use this. So I'll finish that first, then I use this one. So this is the one box, one paper bag that's I put it here. So that's my gift. That's came from my husband's daughter. And then also this came from my husband's daughter as well. So this one also is came from my husband's daughter as well. Black opium, guys. So this one, the perfume is really expensive. As you can see, you can Google this. This, guys, is 50 ml. That's the name. So this one is very expensive, guys. So 100 pounds. I Google this, the price. So that's it. Black opium. Smells strong. 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 So I have there some Fragrance perfume as well. Came from my co-workmate, guys. So that I use every day. That was this one came from my workmate, guys. So this one is from Ted Baker. So this was, I think, just 15 pounds, 20, something like that. But I like the scent. It's nice. So I use this every day. So instead of that, I have lots of perfume as well. So I'm lucky for that. And then I have some paper bag again. I have this number 40. That's my age. Oh my goodness. I'm a half century my age now. So 40. And then I have some cuff 40. So that's my age. 40. So I use this, guys, for my coffee, tea, something like that. I take care because it's really broke. So that's it. And then we have opened this one. It's a big box, something like that, guys. So this is came from my husband's daughter again. And then she had I think this is the headband. I put it her headband. Alright, so she had some, what's this? Skin So Soft Silky Moisture. All for the ladies, guys, skincare. So I'm not really used to skincare because sometimes I feel tired, just wash my face and back, jump to the bed. So I don't have time to skincare myself, just wash it and then back to bed. And then peach bubble clay mask, something like that, guys. So I will try to open this one. It's still sealed. I don't have time to have a skincare every day. I'm busy working. So my work is 4 days a week every day. So I don't have time for that. No time for skincare. But sometimes, for example, tomorrow is my off. So today I go my skincare, something like that. But not every day. I don't have time. So this one is eye mask, something like that, guys. So eye mask, it's nice, as you can see that one. So all these things is that I receive. All these things are that I received on my birthday, and some are cash. So thank you so much for all the gifts and cash that I received on my birthday, and I'm so happy for that because that's my special day. The time that my birthday, guys, so I'm gonna share you a bit some story. The time that my birthday, that was January 17th. So I'm working that time. So because I did not ask to the office for my annual leave, so that's why I'm working. So and it's too late to tell them. And then during that day that I'm working, and the time that I'm busy, I'm in the room, and then someone, my workmate, says to me, "You come here because you have some visitors." But they just saying visitors, but honestly, it's not the visitors. They just surprise me. They sing for me happy birthday, and I have some cake, something like that, and I'm happy for that. I'm shocked. I didn't expect that. So they are sweet. That's really awesome. That's brilliant. So I'm happy for that, guys. So I'm getting older now. I'm 40. So I'm gonna show you my flower, guys. That's my flower. So I put in the flower vase. So that's lovely. All right, that's nice. That guys, that's our wedding pictures. That one. That's also my husband's daughter. Give to me. That was on December. She's plenty of gifts they given us during the Christmas, guys. So I'm gonna hold that and show you also. So this all things that I show you, this is from my birthday's presents as well, guys. So I don't know what to do now. I don't know how to vlog it now. It's because it's long time I did not do the vlog. So sorry. So it's too messy now, my table. And just I finish wash the dirty clothes. I already put in the dryer, tumble dry, and start to vlogging here. So thankful I have lots of stuff here, gifts and everything. So I eat this chocolate. I like this. I don't know what's this. This one is salted toffee. Salted toffee. As you can see, guys, there is lots of. This is the chocolate. What you see here. This is here, and there is a flavor. The other one is hazel smooth. Hazel smooth, and the heart is caramel heart and vanilla cup. Orange surprise. Orange surprise, just only one left. And chocolate velvet, it's already gone. As finished. And what is called um strawberry kiss. Strawberry kiss I already ate earlier. So that's it for the videos for today, guys. More on my birthday cash that I received and some lady stuffs. So thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Sorry if I cannot daily vlog because I'm busy working as well, guys. So my work is 4 days a week. So I'm feel exhausted. So today just it's my off day, so I make vlog and update you. So I'm just trying myself to do back to normal, guys. So thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you the next time. Bye. I am 40 at this age right now.